Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is my mic check, making sure everything is working. A, B, C, D. Where is Team E? Team E, speaker. My tool. I use my tool as a timer. 5 minutes. Speakers, are you prepared to use your PowerPoint? Yeah. Oh. Patience, wait 1 minute. There are limitations to the Zoom hardware. I'm sorry, the Zoom software. So what I am doing, I am sharing my screen. You can see the red mark here, maybe. And you see that this PowerPoint is in editing mode. So you must put it in slideshow mode. This is English class, ladies and gentlemen. So yeah, I'm giving you instructions in English. So across the top of your application, in editing mode, you can see slideshow. You click it, and then you click play from start. Because I was talking and I gave my computer time to shake hands. I can't shake my hands, but it makes a connection with your Wi-Fi or your Ethernet connection. Okay. So that's what I want you to do. And let me get rid of my background now. Don't use your phones. There was only one A presentation today. And I know that you have difficulty listening to me at the present time, but I'm going to tell you anyhow, and I will show you next week. Talk about it and show it. Showing and talking. Visual aid, your PowerPoint slides, or a video, and your presentation. If I sit here and talk to you like this, how long will you listen to me? How much of my words could you understand? Your script, your speakers. Many of you were going like this. You were, or like this. You were glancing at your screen and controlling your PowerPoint. And this today, Giri B. One speaker was facing her camera. One speaker was facing the camera. They were still reading their speech, but their speech was in front of them. So they could read the speech, but their face was looking at the camera. Their face was facing the camera. And you thought, I thought too, that they were speaking to us. I over gesture so you can get an idea of how important gestures are and looking at your camera. Don't panic. I'm using my notebook right now. Don't do this, especially when you're the presenter, because nobody can see your mouth. Head, shoulders, arms, key point. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your attention. Be careful out there. I will see you next Monday.